Good day everyone. So for this video, I will show to you my webpage about my family. So this is the header part of my webpage entitled My Family. So in this one, I used a table to display the text and the picture. So first is my father, Renel Garcia. Currently, he is in Europe. And this is my mother, Nani Garcia. She is a housewife. And this is my brother, second child of my parents, which is second born. He is born next to me. So his name is Iker Garcia. He's the only boy in our family. Next is Glitzelny Garcia. Currently, she's a grade 11 student, just like my brother, also a grade 11 student. And then this is my youngest sister, Princess Glidel Garcia. She is a grade 9 student. So how did I come up with this design, these colors, and this table? So this is my code for resulting this kind of output. As you can see, I use different color, just like what I encode in the notepad in my family Garcia.html. So again, this is the CSS part. The title you can see here at the top of the browser. So in the H1, this is our H1. This is the H1. Color of this one, it's not white, it's lemon chiffon. Here, lemon chiffon. This is our H1. You can clearly see you can see it as white because of my background color, which is pink. Here, I code it here. Body style, background color here. I tried to change it into yellow. Let's see how it responds to I did it here. See, but it's not good to my eyes, so I will set it back to color pink. Okay, so these are the colors. So as our teacher instructed, we should pick colors or include 16 colors. So here I use all the available colored found in the CSS or in the HTML. So here, light coral, Indian red, plum orchids, medium orchid, hot pink, deep pink, red, orange red, dark orange, and then gold. So those colors are these one. These are the output of the colors that I picked. And then, as you can see, I used table. I coded it as TR, or the table row. And then the table style, and then the table data. These table data are the text you can see inside the table, or the picture you can see inside the table. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.